Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we're going to go for a free dive. There's a little spot that's not far from where the marina is. It's just the other side of the boatyard, and it's not deep. It goes to like 5, 6, 7 meters, and if you go a little bit further out, a little bit deeper. But we don't really want to be diving too deep anyway. But I figured because there's like some rocky areas around there, hopefully we'll have a nice swim. Hopefully we might see some fish, and
hopefully it's nice and warm. I've just got to plait Bryn's hair first so he can see.
Another tip for anyone that's thinking of getting the masks with a GoPro mount: if you do have longer hair, your hair will cover the camera. That's happens true. All the time. With Jade's handy skills,
don't know about that.
That won't happen today. If you're new here and you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing and liking. It really helps us out. Check out our playlist and see what we've been up to in our previous videos.
There's so many cool fish, literally so much life, it's awesome. What's it like out there?
Very cool.
So Bryn's just gone to check all the lines. We're getting about 45 to maybe 50 knot gusts tonight in the marina.
We'll be okay. I'm just going to put some stuff away and put an extra line on.
Good idea. After surviving the night, we decided to go for a spontaneous walk the next day. A short walk away was a beautiful area of protected coastline. Unfortunately, we were extremely underprepared for the adventure that entailed. We did manage to see our first ever chameleon in the wild, a bunch of beautiful birds, including the legendary flamingos. Unfortunately, our GoPro battery ran out about halfway through the walk, which was when things took a turn. We decided to go off the beaten track and try and find a shortcut to cut across the marshlands. What actually happened was that we got completely lost. Ended up doing a 24-kilometre walk with no water, no cameras, no food, and no idea where we were going. For your benefit, here is almost an exact reenactment of what happened after.
Are we almost there yet? Probably like another 5 minutes or something. Hey, butthead, are we gonna die? Probably.
what? We haven't even introduced anyone on YouTube to our neighbours.
We're all going places right now.
I know! The dinghy race! We recouped a little bit of our energy, had something to eat, and then decided to head back out again to catch the sunset with our awesome neighbours. So, as you can probably tell, no 2 days are the same when you're living in a marina or on a boat. Some days are productive, some days are lazy, and some days are both. Whilst we were treating ourselves to some rare goodies, we had a realisation. We hadn't checked back into Spain after Gibraltar technically. Basically, obviously we stayed in La Linea, which was the Spanish side of Gibraltar. But when we crossed the border to get to Gibraltar, every time we went there for a visit, they stamped our passports. And typically, they forgot to stamp our passport coming out of Gibraltar back into La Linea.
Yeah, but only the last time.
Only the last time. So now technically, we're still, according to our passports, we're still in Gibraltar. And we figured that's going to cause a bit of a headache on our like Schengen visa and stuff like that if anyone brings it up and we've got to like explain it. So we've just gone and spoke to the marina office, and yeah, they're going to send the immigration police round to the boat later to stamp our passports for us.
Yes.
So we will be back. We will be legal again, I guess.
Yeah. At the minute, not so legal.
Main boxing attraction begins.
It's been a good night of boxing so far.
Been a good night of boxing.
Yeah.
Good luck, enjoy.
Just watching the ring walks, and then I'm gonna like just get all comfy, and that's it then.
Yeah, Bryn is in his element right now. Also, I just thought I'd mention the police came to the boat earlier and stamped our passports for us, which is awesome. We didn't have to go anywhere, so win. After a chilled out night, we sprung into action the next morning, as it was time to remove the sails from Talisman. In the next couple of days, Talisman will be hauled out of the water for the winter, so it was important that we took all the sails off and started winterizing. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you'll join us next week for a cooking session. We talk through with you guys how we eat cheaply and simply on our small sailboat. We don't have a refrigerator but love food, so hopefully you find it useful. We also just want to say a huge thank you to everyone that's donated on Buy Me a Coffee. This has been overwhelming and really unexpected, and you're all awesome, so thanks so much. If this is something that you are interested in, there is a link in the description of each video on where you can buy us a coffee. And we also now have a store set up on our website if you are interested in buying some merchandise. The clothing is either all organic, sustainable material or recycled, so we really like these products and hope that you do too. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.